Combination of dark gunmetal, red,
Up until I can't hear.
the Mark 8 and 31.
Deep way under the surface and like
First ever payout in our YouTube channel. I bought 7 Ziggy Toys Iron Man Mark 7. So, let's go! Wow!
Okay, Thor, hit me.
Overall, the figure is good. However, there's several spots I notice here. Fiddler, 29. Hindi ko pa siya naka-customize, but ito yung nakikita kong one of the hardest. This full size. There's a printed Mark 15 on his chest.
a loner. Some can't stay sober, looking over all their shoulders, like moving boulders just to get out of the home. It sucks.
14. You know what? Mark 14 is the armor of the South Pole.
Got a monster inside of me. You better watch out if your enemy's a road ahead of full prophecy to be
Custom videos.
somewhere much deeper. Anxiety filling up every space, no privacy, and silently.
Okay, here's the figure. First in-hand impression, this figure is not that great at all. First, it looks like the paint is showing discoloration. And here's the result. Enjoy! The two newly released of Iron Man marks from ZD Toys.
Nervous you up? For you, sir, always.
So this is it, mga ka-toys. This, the latest update of our project, the House Party Protocol of Iron Man.
50
Beautiful armors, but one missing figure left. With ZD Toys and 3-0 combined, we achieved this such project, which we have started 5 years ago. So that's it, mga ka-toys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this video. See you in my next video!